Hi everyone, Said here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about how to implement Google Analytics code in your website. So guys, I'm using right now WordPress website, and how we can I will show you step by step everything. Also, some of the viewers asking how we can host our website. Everything I will show you how to host your website also, and how you can get the domain. So guys, first of all I want to say something. If you are the student, if you are the beginner something, and you want to learn how to host website everything, so I found this website, hostigit.com. really, this is the really cheapest hosting, so you can check out from here. And also here I was contact from this website. Also I hosted one website. Really, this is from this is my personal suggestions, guys. If you want to buy, you can select from here. And because a lot of students not want to pay as a AWS hosting plan, Google cloud computing plans, but is really this is cheapest hosting, guys. You can buy from here. So look, we have the starter plan like 40 rupees per month. This is nothing, I think so. So just check out the host one website, and we have the 5 GB SSD and unlimited bandwidth and free SSL certificate. Also, if you want to second website, Hostiniger website, I will compare with both sides, so you can analyze this which one is good for your website. Let me show you affordable Hostiniger website also. So look, we have the hosting, the choose your plan something, single website. But guys, let me show you everything. We have the 5 MySQL database. We can set here 1 GB uplinking something, order now something. Let me show you. So you can select from here the so in also I'm using this website. My personal suggestion is really fine. And look, if you want to more for long durations, like, so you can check. This is 9,000 something plan, and really this is expensive as compared to this website. And my personal suggestion, if you are the student, please you can select this website, Hostigit. And also if you want to WordPress hosting, here the WordPress reseller hosting also plan. And if you want to plan as a domain buy, you can also select from here. And hosting is basically if you want platinum plan, we can host here 5 website. Also advanced plan, you can host unlimited website, so might be this is also good. Look, this is a hosting, you can select from the here. Now come to the point. Now once you, first of all you need to go Google Analytics website, and once you created account in the Google Analytics, just go and admin, just create this one. And once you successfully created, you will get some links. So I'm not going to show you. You will get the code like this, tracking code. Yes, this code you can get and just copy. And also we have the WordPress, and just go to the plugin, add new. Once you clicked on add new, you can search here insert header something, insert. This is the easiest way. So if you want to insert more JavaScript code, any type of code, you can select from here insert code. Once you successfully install and activate it, then you need to go setting. Inside of setting, we have the option which is the insert header and footer something, and put your code inside here. If you want to header, if you want to insert in the footer, so you can make like this one. If you want to insert the body, so these are the steps. So you can insert whatever places you want to insert your data. So now also second way to insert, click on appearance and go click on the theme editor, and you can search from here header.php. Let me show you. We have the theme header.php, and also you can put here. Okay, so if you want to put in header, so you can put here and just click on update. So once you successfully updated, you can track your website. Look, I think so 2 or 3 users right now looking these things, multi-auth and autocomplete translate on the website. So now the 3 users are active, so we can track. And